Namaskar. Hello everybody. This is Anuradha Sarkar from Rai Boutique. Today is 2nd of July and Puja is on September, last week of September. So we have hardly got 2 to 3 months for the Puja. So please start your shopping from right now, and today I'm going to show you, from today onwards, I'm going to show you my Puja collections. So let's begin with sari number 1. If you like my video, please do not forget to share, subscribe, and please press the bell icon. So let's go with sari number 1. Today I am going to show you Bhagalpuri and Chhattisgarh Tasar. Number 1, 5,100. Just have a look. It's such a beautiful sari. This is the pallu. And this is the sari. It's really very beautiful. And please have a look. It's in natural color. And this is the blouse piece. Look at the blouse piece in contrast. It's very beautiful. In just 5,100 you get this sari. These saris do not grow old. They are always in fashion. This is the look of the sari. It's very beautiful sari. Just have a look. And when you wear the contrast blouse, it will look much better. You can wear a jewelry like this that I am wearing. If you want this type of jewelry, you can also order them. Sari number 2, 5,200. This is a Bhagalpuri Tasar. Just have a look. In green. It's very beautiful. You can wear gold jewelry with it. Full sari, 5.5 meters in length, and this is the blouse piece. And let me make the pleats for you so that you understand the fall of the saris. These saris are very good and very much in demand. These are very beautiful saris. Sari number 3, 8,000. Chhattisgarh Tasar. 8,000. Just have a look. Black in Tasar, it is not Z black. This is a charcoal black color. Very beautiful sari. Traditional saris. Just see the buttas. So beautifully done. Simple and beautiful. You can wear a Banarasi blouse with it. Anything. It's how you dress up. You can wear a contrast blouse with it. And this is the blouse piece. Let's see how it looks when I drape the sari. You see how fast I'm draping the sari. You don't need much help to wear them. Just see. This is the fall of the sari. Just look at the sari. These saris do not grow old. You can pass on to generation after generation. Sari number 4, 6,000. Another tasar. This is the blouse piece. Just have a look at the blouse piece. These are all pure tassar, no mixture in it. And this is the pallu, and this is the sari. Only buttas are there. Buttas are all in antique zari. You can wear antique jewelry with it. And already I have shown you the blouse piece. Wear it with the same blouse. Wear antique jewelry. Don't wear very golden jewelry with it. Wear antique jewelry. This will look nice with this sari. This is the look of the sari. Sari number 5, 8,000. Another tassar. These are very traditional saris. Just have a look. These are very, very traditional saris. This is the pallu. And this is the sari. Just see. It's very beautiful sari. Anybody of any age can wear this sari. It is not necessary that only little elderly people can wear, but these saris can be worn by each and everyone. And this is the blouse piece. I find young girls wearing this type of saris. They look so beautiful. And please wear the right jewelry with it and right type of blouse. We have got a tailoring unit. If you want to stitch your blouses, please come to us. We do all type of blouses, designer, simple, and all type of dresses. Sari number 6, 8,000. This is a Vidarbha tassar. Just have a look. A beautiful color. This is the pallu. And this is the sari. It's very beautiful. Ganga Jamuna border. Green and pink. It's very, very beautiful. I like Ganga Jamuna border very much. It's my personal liking. And let's see the blouse piece. And this is the blouse piece. Wear it with this blouse. It will look outstanding. Wear green beads with it. Or you wear something, some silver jewelry with it. You can even wear pearls with it. That will also look very nice. This is the look of the sari. Just see. So beautiful. And all these saris are very soft. Very, very soft. This is the look of the sari. Sari number 7, 8,000. Another tassar. Just have a look. All traditional saris. It's a very beautiful sari. This is the pallu. And this is the sari. Just see the temples. This temple, it takes a lot of time to do these temples. It's a very beautiful sari. Very simple, very beautiful. You can wear green beads, 2-3 layers of green beads necklace. And you can wear gold jewelry with it. And this is the blouse piece. Very beautiful. Traditional saris are always in fashion. They do not grow old. I have seen my mother wearing this type of sarees. I have seen my grandmother wearing this type of sarees. I myself wear them, and I can also pass on to my next generation. These are very beautiful sarees. It's very beautiful. Sari number 8. This is in silk. Just have a look. So beautiful color. Look at the color. This sari is very much in demand. This is the pallu. And this is the sari. Just see. This is the blouse piece. It's very beautiful sari, no doubt. Color combination, everything is so beautiful. You can wear it in any party, you can wear it to the office, you can wear it anywhere. Wear a jewelry like this that I am wearing, or you can wear a gold jewelry with it. That will also look nice. You can wear beads with it, or anything very simple with tassel also you can wear. This is very beautiful sari. I'm giving you many options how to dress up. It's up to you. Sari number 9. Wow, what a color. 9,400. Tomato red. Wow, what so beautiful sari. Just look at it. Just look at it. So beautiful. This is the pallu. And this is the sari. Just see, there are human figures in the sari in silver and gold. And this is the sari, and this is the blouse piece. Blouse piece is in contrast. It's a very beautiful. I can imagine wearing this sari with this blouse and how it looks. Wear this purple color beads, or wear golden and purple beads mixture, or you can wear pure gold, golden jewelry. That will also look very nice. This is the look of the sari. Just see. It's very beautiful, very, very beautiful. The color itself is so beautiful. Sari number 10, 10,300. A beautiful white. This is also in silk. Just have a look. These are all pure saris, all pure silk, pure tassar. So please don't be confused. Just look at the buttas. They are so beautiful. Multicolor buttas. And I'll show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. You can also wear colored blouse with it if you want. Banarasi blouse you can wear. You can wear embroidery blouse, katha blouse, anything you can wear. This is a beautiful sari, very, very beautiful. Just have a look. This is the look of the sari. Just see. सब साड़ी बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत सुंदर है. और मैं जो भी कलेक्शन दिखा रही हूँ ये सब हमारा फेस्टिव कलेक्शन है. नंबर 11, 10,300. Just look at it. Just look at the pallu. The pallu is the Rath Jatra of Puri. Just see the pallu. There are 3 Rath in the pallu. It's very beautiful sari. These are all hand woven sari. Please, all of you note down, it's a hand woven sari. And see the motifs, the shank motifs in the saris. These are also very beautiful. Little different. These saris are little different from the rest of the saris. This is the blouse piece in solid color. If you really want to have these saris, please book these saris and send me in my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 98314 This is the look of the sari. It's a very beautiful color. Very, very beautiful. Sari number 12 is a sari that I am wearing. It's very beautiful sari. Just have a look. Look at the pallu, fish motifs. Very, very beautiful. It's a green color. 10,300. It is in Tasar. Chhattisgarh Tasar. Sari number 13. $9,400. This is also in Tasar. Just have a look. Such a beautiful sari. The color itself is so beautiful. It's a green, a type of green. And this is the pallu. I hope everyone can understand. This is a green color. And look at the sari. Wow, what a wonderful sari. It's very, very beautiful. Just have a look. It's very beautiful. Just see, and this is the blouse piece. All the saris are 5.5 meters in length, and blouse piece is 80 centimeters to 1 meter. You can make a good blouse from it. These are all hand woven sari. So please wear hand woven saris. Now only machine woven saris have come. So please wear hand woven saris. And please keep this industry alive. Sari number 14, 9,780. Look at it. Look at the color itself. Such beautiful sari. Such a beautiful sari. Just have a look at it. The color combination, the booties, everything you have to look into it. It's very, very beautiful. Just look at it. So beautiful. And the blouse piece is in solid color. This is the blouse piece. The whole sari, small booties are there in the saris. Just have a look. I am just pleating it. The fall of the sari is very nice and the color is very beautiful. Just have a look at the color. The color itself is so beautiful. It suits to every complexion. Sari number 15, 10,000. Just have a look. This is a Tasar sari. Chhattisgarh Tasar. Just look at the sari. And look at the body. The body is fully woven. These are all hand woven. Please see the back portion. Fully hand woven. Fully. Don't mistake it to be a print. So beautifully it has been done, yet it's so light. The sari is very, very light. And this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Let me drape the sari for you. Very beautiful saris, these saris are really very high quality. So please do not think why the price is so much. They are really very, very beautiful saris. This is the look of the sari. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please hurry up and subscribe it. These are all my puja collection. If you want to book it, book it. My WhatsApp number is 9831436940. And please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel amongst your friends. Thank you.